In the history of my trading for the past 4 years, I have had red Decembers every year. And this one started out no different. Hi everyone, it's Tiffany from Bearable Traders here to talk about my trading for the week. It is Friday, December 17th, and I made one trade all week long, and that was one today. I was really struggling with staying in the flow of the market, and coming from a really great November where my 5 and my 15-minute opening range breakouts worked very, very well. I had a hard time transitioning into December where they weren't working so well. So the first couple weeks, I felt like I struggled. And then, so going into this week, I decided to watch for my setups to happen, kind of mentally take the trade and see what I needed to correct in my trading for this month. And I also, of course, reviewed the trades that I've taken for the first couple weeks, so I can get a better understanding of how the market is moving and how it's changing for this month. So just today, I decided what the big issue that I was having is I wasn't patient enough for my 5 and 15-minute orbs to work out. And so I decided, instead of taking quick partials and having such a tight risk, I put my risk a little bit further. I gave it more time. I was more patient and let the trade work out before I took partial. I did, and I took a bigger partial when it was at a specific level. And then, of course, I always, once I take a partial, I move my remaining position to break even, so I don't give anything back to the market. So what I saw in PFE this morning was a 5-minute opening range breakup, also confirmed by a 1-minute ABCD pattern. Here you have it pushing up through the view app. The first 5-minute candle was really nice and strong. It had a very large wick to the bottom side, which made me think that it was going to pop up. Now, Thor coined this term, the tinfoil line, at 8 o'clock in the morning. And so I had a profit target right here where it popped up at 8 a.m. So I went long when it pushed up and made a new 5-minute high for the breakout, and also on the 1-minute came back down and broke out. And my stop was going to be if it broke down below the opening price, which is the bottom of the first 5-minute candle. And then I held through this little pullback right here, and then I partialed 75% of my position right here at this tinfoil line, and then the rest came back and stopped me out at break even. And then I really didn't like the price action from then on. To be honest with you, it was a little bit choppy at the open, but because I gave it such room, it did not come back and whip me out. It almost did. But that was my trade for today, and to be honest with you, I am probably going to be very cautious next week because of the holiday, and I may not trade again, or if I do, I might take one trade. And I've also lowered my risk for December so that I'm not trading emotionally because of the Decembers I've had in the past. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, please hit the like and subscribe button, and feel free to ask any questions down below. You guys have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.